Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us start with the 14th problem, exercise 6.3. Sides AB and AC and median AD of the triangle ABC and respectively proportional to the sides PQ, PR and the median PM of another triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is the diagram. Now we have to prove that angle A is equal to angle P. We have to show. So first let us write down. We have been given AB upon PQ is, this is given to us, is AC upon PR is equal to AD upon PM. This is given, and we have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. We have to prove this. Now to prove this, what we will do is we will extend this line first. So what to prove? To prove that angle A is equal to angle P, and to do that we have to prove that angle 1, we can say this is, you have to prove to that angle 2. Angle 1 is angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. We have to prove. What we have to prove? To prove angle A is equal to angle P, and we have to prove angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4, and then we will be able to add them. Angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 4, and this is angle A and this is angle P. So to do that, we will start with A and we will construct this D further. Let us produce AD to point E such that AD is equal to DE, and produce PM to point N such that PM is equal to N, and we will join these 2 points. Join EC and NR. So this has been given to us, AB upon PQ. We will take this, but we want this side AE and PN. To do that, what we will do is we will take this AB upon PQ, this as it is, AC upon PR, and for this AD we will do it, we will take it 2 times AD upon 2 times PM. We have not changed anything, we can cancel this, we will get the same statement. So this 2 times AD means what? AD and AD, because DE also is equal. So we will write down this statement: AB upon PQ is AC upon PR. This is equal to AD plus AD, and this is PM plus PM. We have said that AD is equal to D, and instead of that AD, one AD, we will write AB upon PQ is AC upon PR, and this is equal to AD plus DE, because we have said AD is equal to DE, and this is PM plus MN, and AD plus DE is AE, and PM plus MN is PN. So instead of this we will write down AB upon PQ is AC upon PR, and this is, we will write down AE upon PN, and take this statement as 1. Now we will have to prove that ADB and EDC, these angles we have to prove equal. Say we will say this 5 and 6, we have said 1, this has 2, and this has 3, and this has 4. So we have to prove this angle, this triangle ADB and EDC equal, and to prove that we take this help. I'll write down here, in triangle ADB and triangle EDC, we have to prove them similar. Now how we will prove that similar? First of all, here AD is ED, we have done this, AD is equal to ED. This is how it is, this by construction, as we have constructed AD and ED same. So and DB equals to DC, this is given to us, this is equal to DC, this is given, and we can say angle 5 is equal to angle 6. How it is equal? Angle 5 is equal to angle 6. How is this? This is vertically opposite angles. As these are vertically opposite angles, so you can see two sides and one angle is equal. Therefore we have proved that ADB equals to EDC. ADB equals to EDC, as two sides are equal, one and these two sides and one angle. Therefore you can say ADB triangle is congruent to triangle EDC. We have proved this. So this is by side angle side similarity criterion. So, and as this is equal, AB equal to EC, AB equals to EC. We will try to prove this side also, we can prove this side also. AB is equal to EC. How we can say? By corresponding parts of congruent triangle, CP, CT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. How is this equal? AB equals to EC, AB is equal to EC. As these two triangles we have proved it similar, therefore AB is equal to EC. So we can, as we have proved this AB is equal to EC, so we can prove this PQ is equal to NR. So similarly we can prove PQ is equal to NR. So from this equation what do we get? AB upon PQ is AC upon PR is AE upon PN. But we have proved this AB is equal to EC. Therefore we will write EC, and PQ we have proved as NR. So we have showed that AEC is similar to PNR. So as these sides have been proved similar, therefore triangle AEC is similar to triangle PNR. How it is? By side similarity criterion. These are the sides. We have proved it. So from this what do we get? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. And this is the second statement. So also we can join this BE and QN and we can prove that angle 3 is equal to angle 4. As we have proved this side and showed this side as equal, so also we can join this and therefore we will get angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So we will join this, we will add statement 2 and 3 equation. So what we will get? Angle 1 plus angle 3 is angle 2 plus angle 4. And what is angle 1 plus angle 3? Is angle A. Therefore angle A is equal to angle P. 2 plus 4 is angle P. So this way we have proved that triangle ABC, and we will see this triangle PQR. So what are the corresponding parts? AB upon PQ is AC upon PR. AB, PQ, AC, PR. So this is given to us. So angle A just now we have proved equal to angle P. Here we have proved it. Angle A is equal to angle P. That's why triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. And this is side angle side. Here you can see two angles and two sides and one angle. Similarity. So we had to prove this and we have proved it. Hence proved. That's all for this video. I hope you have liked and understood today's problem. Share this video with your friends and classmates. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll meet back again with a new video next time. Thank you.